Hey there, it's Tanya here again from Puzzle Art Australia. Actually, we're going to have some fun today. I'm introducing our brand new children's range. Just finished off the production line. I'm super excited. It has come out far beyond my expectations. In fact, it's part of our A2 puzzle range. Inside each box is 160 to 175 pieces. Now, I know that sounds like a lot for children, but what I've actually done is broken that up into 6 individual puzzles. Each have only between 25 and 30 pieces. And then what the children can do is as they get better, they can start to mix more pieces in. In fact, what comes in the box is the whole 160 pieces in one bag. So mums and dads, big brothers and sisters, if you want, I put the puzzle together and then individually packaged each puzzle. And my youngest son, Asher, has been going around and doing each one. Let me show you. Which will this be? Oh, I think I know. Looks like this guy here. So some of the design features in the children's range. You will see here the actual puzzle pieces, much larger, and the hooks and the structure. Just a little bit more integrity there so that the children can play with it without having any breaks or chips. And the puzzle pieces, again, really cool, all in theme with the puzzle image itself. I couldn't resist keeping with our Aussie animal theme, this time though making it so much fun as they play all of our fabulous Aussie sports. Let me show you how this one comes together. So, as you can see, I think this one has roughly 30 pieces in it. Nice large pieces, still lots of fabulous characters that the kids are going to love. And so then what you can do is, as I mentioned, I've just used little individual bags. So I originally opened the puzzle and just sorted the pieces so that they were separate. But once your child or the person who receives the puzzle starts to become more and more confident, you can then increase the challenge by adding 2 puzzles. And then they can start building it from there, mix the pieces up and just see how they go. Here you go, I've just flipped these 2 up. Take a close look at the puzzle pieces and see if you can see which ones these are going to make. The clue, of course, is in the individual storytelling pieces. Let's see how they come out. Now, people often ask me, where do you start? I always start by taking out my little storytelling pieces. Why? Because there's always going to be details in them that you're not going to find in your typical puzzle piece. Let me know how your little one goes with them. Bye for now.